Most people spend their entire lives working hard, yet never achieve true financial freedom. But what if I told you there's a faster way? A proven strategy that the world's richest people use to build wealth at an insane speed. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact steps you need to take to go from struggling to financially free, faster than you ever thought possible. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a game plan to start your journey to wealth right now. The first step to getting rich fast is not about money, it's about mindset. Most people are programmed to think small, to play it safe, and to trade time for money. The wealthy? They think big. They understand that money is a tool, not a goal. If you want to get rich, you need to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start seeing money as a way to create more opportunities. Adopt the mindset of a creator, not just a worker. You can't get rich fast by working a 9-to-5 job forever. You need a skill that makes you money without limits. This is called a high-income skill. These are skills that can generate $10,000 or more per month without requiring a college degree. Here are a few examples: sales and closing deals. Learning how to sell is one of the fastest ways to make money. Copywriting and digital marketing. Companies will pay you thousands to write persuasive words. Software development and automation. Coding and AI automation are taking over the world. Investing and trading. Stocks, crypto, and real estate can build wealth exponentially. Find a skill, master it, and leverage it to generate serious cash. On-screen text: master a high-income skill.